Well, that sucks. Yeah, I noticed a bit of a leak there, and I'm going to have extractors and stuff one day anyway, but for now, well, I should probably put another stud in that hole. And here it is. The short end goes into the block, and then the long end, like the part with more thread and this funny bit at the end, sticks out. Now, that nut, 14mm in metric, good fit. Go to the Imperial, that funny looking thing on the end, focus. That's a 1/4 inch. But it fits good. It seems to, like, you get your, I think that's the single X. Anyway, yeah, that's all I was going to show you guys. You know, quick and easy. So 1/4 inch start to wind in and out them studs. 1/4 inch drive, and the nuts are 14mm. This video is that short. It doesn't even need a an intro. So, yep, hope that helps you out, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.